Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, girls.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you and how was your vacation?
Good.
Good, alhamdulillah. Okay, before we leave, we were talking about how the scientists use some tools. Do you remember some tools you took?
Yes.
Yes, Lara, can you tell me?
Who's Lara?
Lara Ghaith?
Oh. That's the page?
What?
Remember these pictures?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
These tools, we use it to make things what?
Big. Big.
Excellent.
And closer.
Good job. We use these tools to make things bigger or to let them be close. So we use the light microscope. You remember the light microscope? You put things inside just to make it look bigger. See? Using the light. You use a light source. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. What about the magnifying box? What do you put inside?
It's the something that we want to make it bigger.
Okay, just like a bug, maybe a small bug or a small fly. Also a hand lens. Over here you have a hand lens. We call it a hand lens. Why? Because you use it with your hand. And it has a lens to make things bigger. What about a forceps? Please do not forget a forceps. It helps you to pick up what? Tiny objects. Yes, it helps you to pick up tiny object. So you can put it in the magnifying box, or maybe you can put it in the light microscope, okay?
I have it in my home, but it's like in the kitchen.
Okay, so all of you, you know the forceps and also the dropper. Dropper move small things, okay? Amount of liquids for viewing. You can move small amount of liquid. As you can see here, we took the microscope and we know the microscope magnifies objects that are too tiny, okay? Okay, girls?
Okay.
And we also know how to measure. We use the pan balance. Remember the pan balance over here on the left side?
Yeah.
Remember? We use the pan balance to measure weight. Is that right? Or let's say mass. What is the unit that I am using to measure a mass? I will say this stuff is the mass of this stuff is 90 feet or 90 gram.
What? Wait, that's a shell?
Dear, forget about the shell. Look at the pan balance. When you use a pan balance to measure the mass, remember the mass we said? Are you going to use a gram or feet?
Gram.
Excellent, because you know, you want to know the mass of this object. Is that right?
Gram.
Okay. What about when you want to know how long is something? Are you going to use a pan balance too?
Miss, page number what?
Dear, you can't see the screen?
Yeah, but I didn't see this one.
You can't see this screen?
Oh, I see it. I see it. I see the number right now.
Okay, no, I don't want you
open
to.
it.
No, dear Fatima, please, I do not want you to open the book. I want you to look at the screen with me. Is that okay?
Okay.
Now, we said we use a balance to measure mass, and we use a gram as a unit. The unit of mass is the gram. What about if I want to measure how long is something? Like this shell. How long is this shell? This boy is measuring the length using, what is this? Excellent, a ruler.
A ruler.
Yes, a ruler. Also, you can use a measuring tape. Can you see the measuring tape over here?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, and what is the unit to measure the length? You measure with centimeters or inches or feet, okay? Remember measuring cups? Measuring cups and spoons, we use them to what? Measure amounts of ingredients. Is that right?
Right.
Okay, what about volume? If you have something you want to measure its volume, you are going to use this thing. What do you call it?
Volume.
Graduated cylinder. Remember, girls, this graduated cylinder, why did we call it graduated? Because it is graded. See, it has a lot of numbers on the side, so they called it graduated cylinder. It's grade. Look at the grades over here. Can you see them? Okay, and for what do you use a graduated cylinder? You want to measure the
Unit of the volume.
volume. Good job. Excellent. So we know the graduated cylinder. Last thing we want to know about is time and temperature. Can you tell me, if I want to measure time, what should I use?
Time and temperature.
Okay, if I want to measure what the time is, what should I use? Should I use a computer?
No, I know we use like
A pillow?
no, pillow.
Okay, how can I know what is the time now?
A clock from the clock.
Excellent, excellent. I'm going to use a clock or a watch. How about if I want to know, ya Fatima, how long you will take to bring me something from your room and come back? How long you will take? How can I measure the time? Using my clock or maybe something I can stop?
Maybe something we can stop.
Like what? Think. Everyone.
In our tablet, in our phone, we have the timer.
Excellent, a timer or a stopwatch. Good job. This is for time. What about temperature? If you want to know what is the temperature now, what should you use?
Bring the tool for the temperature.
Okay, does anyone of you guys know what is this tool called?
This tool, I don't know.
I'm sure you know.
Okay,
Think, if you're a little bit tired and your mom needs to see your temperature. Excellent, thermometer. Thermometer. Okay, now, do you know what is the unit using a thermometer? If I am using a thermometer, let's say your degree is 36 what? What do you say? What do you say, my girls? Do you know? Let's see. Okay. whenever you are using a thermometer, you use Celsius. See, we are now measuring the weather. We want to know the weather. What is the weather look like? Is it freezing? Is it hot? Is it very cold? Or maybe the weather is just nice. So, can you read for me? I want Maria Basam. Please,
Okay.
can you read for me? How many Celsius? See the word over here?
Here?
Means Celsius. Can you look at the thermometer?
The thermometer?
Yes. Can you see the thermometer?
Yes, I see it.
How many Celsius there? See? The C is for Celsius.
See,
And the F is for freezing.
No, F is for Fahrenheit. Celsius is the unit we usually use, but there are some other units, we call it Fahrenheit. But let's focus today on Celsius, okay?
Okay.
Now,
And Celsius is in 20.
okay, more than 20, maybe 25 or 24?
I'll see.
Excellent, excellent. 24 Celsius. This is how you measure the temperature and you use a thermometer. What about the time? Look at this boy. He is holding what in his hand? He's holding something in his hand. What is it?
Timer.
A timer. Excellent. A stopwatch. And he is measuring the time that both frogs will reach at the finish line. They are racing. He wants to know who will win and what time they will reach there. Is that right? Okay. Do you say these frog reaches in 19 centimeters? Do you use the unit centimeters or what?
Yes. No. Yes. There's no.
Centimeters?
No.
Meters?
No. No.
What do you say about the time? What unit should you use about the time? Inches?
No.
Inches? Centimeters?
No, this is for my job.
I will say the frog took 19 centimeters to reach the finish line.
Clock. We see.
19 clock?
Can we say hour?
Excellent. Good job. We say hour. Maybe we can say minute.
Minute.
Also, we can say seconds. And the seconds is less than a minute and the minute is less than hour. Do you know 1 hour has how many minutes? 1 hour?
yeah, I know.
Tell me, please.
16.
Excellent, 60 minutes. And 1 minute has how many seconds?
60.
Excellent, good job. So we know all about the time and temperature. Is that right?
I want to save this one.
Now, you have this page before you took it as a homework. Did you do it, guys?
No, this is gonna go more. Mama said this is not homework.
Wait, I don't
It's
know.
okay.
I didn't do this one, miss. I don't think.
Okay, okay, it's fine. It's fine. If you didn't do it, it's fine, my dear. Okay? Now, I want you to open with me to sum it up, page 26.
Yeah, miss, I do it.
Are you ready?
Miss, I don't do that's homework.
This one is a homework, and I do it.
What?
I
don't know if that's
homework or not.
It's not, it's, dear Clara Ghaib, I saw you sent it through my email and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you didn't do it, it's okay, guys, but starting from this week, you have to do your homeworks, okay? Starting from this week.
I do it.
Okay, girls? And I really appreciate it, Lara Gates. She sent it to my email. It's okay. Thank you very much. But you don't have to. I can see it from your camera next time. Okay, guys?
Okay.
You will show me on the camera.
Yeah, I'll show you in the camera.
Okay? Okay, girls?
Okay.
What is Lara Gates? Is she here?
No.
I don't know.
Lara Gates?
I
The
think
Wi-Fi. I
think she leave the meeting or something.
we are only 6, miss. And
Let me
that's where
see.
we are.
Lara Gates is
We
here.
aren't on the 5 gears.
She's
No.
here.
Where's Lara?
No. Ah, yeah, she's with us, I think.
Okay, guys, can you please open to page 26? Everyone, open to page 26.
I open it.
And please, guys, do not worry about the writing. I will be sending these answer keys through your email, okay? Okay, guys?
Okay.
All what we care about is to answer. And also this page, you can find it upside down. After we've doing it, you can copy them
Miss,
from
what is
there.
this one? What is this one? I want to
Can you
recover.
wait, Fatima? Can you wait, please, my dear? Now, first of all, the idea below summarize this lesson. I want you to complete the whip. You see the measuring tools over here. Is that right? What do you see, Maria? Arima Basam. What do you see?
Where?
In this page, you see a measuring tools. Is that right? You see measuring tools?
Yes.
Okay, tell me now. Give me one name of the measuring tools you can see. One of them. What do you see?
I see. Miss, I see Hadi. I see a time.
Okay, time. Do I say time? Is this a time?
Miss, you can do it without
Time.
Timer or a stopwatch. You say a stopwatch. Good job.
We write stopwatch.
No, can you
Miss,
stop?
I see something.
Please,
I see.
Fatima. Please, everyone, do not write. Please, please. Just a second. We need to just refresh our memory to see, to say what is on this page. Later, we will do it together. Okay, Fatima?
Okay, tomorrow.
No, now.
Okay.
Right now. Okay, Lara Gaith, what do you see? What else do you see?
I see.
Your friend said a stopwatch. What do you see?
I see that big thing, the one that you see some stuff that's closer. What's it called again?
A light microscope. Good job. Good job.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, that one.
Yes, Fatima, do you see something else? They said a light microscope and a stopwatch. What else?
Yes, I
Oh.
know.
Okay, yes, Lara.
Graduated
Cylinder. Good
Yeah.
job. And do we use graduated cylinder for what?
for to put something in.
To measure the volume. Remember the volume?
Oh.
Okay. Now let's see. Number 1. They use hand lenses and microscope to make things look.
Better.
I know, miss.
Yes.
Bigger?
Excellent. Good job, Fatima. Number 2. Length is measured with. Look at this page in your book and tell me. Length is measured with what? When you want to know how long is something, you are going to use what? A scissor?
Ruler?
Excellent. A ruler. Excellent. Now I want someone else. Qamar, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, my dear. A graduated cylinder measures what?
Waiting cylinder measures, like if you want to see if there is something big or this, you put it right here.
Is it mass or volume?
Pass.
Are you sure? Look at the
Wait,
graduated
no,
cylinder
volume,
over here.
No, it's volume.
Excellent. Volume. Now, pan balance measures what, ya Justiniya? A pan balance.
Pan balance?
Yes? Measures mass or volume?
Volume?
Are you sure? If the pan balance measure volume, so a graduated cylinder measures what?
Also volume.
No. So a graduated cylinder measures volume, but a pan balance measures mass. Okay? A pan balance measures mass. You want to know the weight. How much is this something? Okay, how about the fruit? Do you measure the fruits in a graduated cylinder or a mass?
Mass.
Or a pan
Mass.
balance?
Not a mass.
Pan balance. We are going to use a pan balance to put some fruits on them. We want to know how many grams you are going to buy. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
What about time? They measures time with clocks and what is
timer.
excellent, or a stopwatch. Now, girls, again, if I have some fruits and I want to know how much they weight, I'm going to use a graduated cylinder or a pan balance.
Pan
Balance.
Excellent. What about something liquid I have? I want to measure it. I'm going to measure the volume of it. I'm going to use a pan balance or a graduated cylinder. Pan balance with liquid. I will put liquid in pan balance, or fruit.
Fruit.
What about liquid? Where should I put it?
In this one, they use.
Okay, say it. A graduated cylinder.
What?
Yes, graduated cylinder.
Graduated cylinder.
You use it for volume. You use it for what?
Volume.
Volume.
Good job. So,
There is something measure the volume. How?
volume, I mean a volume of a liquid, okay?
Oh. Miss, I didn't write only one. I write bigger.
It's okay, girls. You can find it upside down over there, the same page in 26, and you can copy them from there. Can you do that?
Can't.
Can you do that?
No, I can't because I don't know. My mommy, Mommy, you can take the email so I can. If I didn't finish this one, I can do it.
My dear Fatima, also page 26, if you flip your book around, you can see the answers. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at page 6, down there in the bottom. What can you see?
Page
Can you see that? 26.
26. 26. Yeah. And 26. I want to realize.
Okay, girls. I have only 3 minutes left, so I'm going to show you.
Wait, please.
I'm just going to show you this, please. The word play and the apply concept also I want you just to read them and take a look about them. Tomorrow we will do it together. But please, girls, take a look at them and try to do it on your own. And tomorrow we will do it together. It is not a homework, okay? All what I want from you is to read them, be ready to solve them tomorrow with me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I want to see the
Now
answers
take
here.
your time to write this one.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss, you can make
my
it bigger.
dear.
No.
Wait, I think I can make it bigger. It's so bigger. Oh my God, what is this one? You want this one? Yeah. I want this one.